How to add user roles for your Discord server on mobile. First, open the Discord app on your device, and then you want to head over to your server to create your user roles. Now over here, you want to tap on these three dots right next to your server name. Then you want to tap on Settings. Over here, scroll down, and under User Management, you will find Roles. So tap on that, and here tap on Create Role. Here you can choose your role name. So just enter the role name, and after that you can choose the role color as well. Choose whichever color you want and then tap on Save. After this, tap on Create. Over here you can set up permission, so you can decide how much permission does this role have. So you can choose cosmetics, which is not much permission. The next one is member, which will get basic permissions for a regular member to talk. The next one is moderator, which has way more power. And the final one is manager, which is basically like an admin. They can create or delete channels. They can also create and delete roles, among other permissions. So if you want to choose, you can simply tap on Select. After this, you can add members, so you can simply decide which member gets to be in that role. After this, tap on Finish. Now, as you can see, the role has been created. If you want to delete this role, you can simply tap on that role and then tap on Delete Role as well. Then tap on Remove. So in this way, you can add user roles for your Discord server. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.